Hey there! Welcome to the PrintGizmo tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create product categories and category groups in your PrintGizmo storefront. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to organize your products effectively. Categories and groups make shopping easier for your customers. They help people find what they want to make their purchase faster. Here's how you can implement this. Let's go to the product section. Click Category. Here is where we'll add our category groups and our product categories. Let's start out with the category group. To add a category group, simply click the Add Category Group button up at the top right-hand corner. For this example, we're going to use a pre-created category group. On the Add Category screen, we can create our category title, category internal title, our category address or URL. Don't forget to add any images or descriptions if you like. And then we're going to change the status to on. You can also put in your sort order where this particular category title or group will appear on your storefront. At this point, we're ready. We'll click Save and Back. Next, we'll create a product category. Simply click the Add Product Category button. Again, for this demo, we're going to use a predefined category. Add our category title, category internal title, category address or URL, and we're going to select our category group. This will be the group that we just created for this example, Promotional My Brand. When we go down, we can set the sort order and also change the status to on. Don't forget to click Save and Back. Now let's take a look at our storefront. We can now see we have promotional, then we have a product category, and the products that are assigned to that product category. Again, this is our category group, our product category, and the assigned products. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or challenges, please feel free to call or email or even chat with our support gurus. Take care. Have a great day.